Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this low twisted bun hairstyle on short to medium length hair. To start, I'm going to add some volume powder to the crown. I'll pop what I'm using in the description below. Then I've decided to give the crown area a little back combing for some more volume. If you don't like back combing, you can skip this step. Smooth over the very top layer with the edge of your comb and gather that crown section to the back of the head. Hold it in your hand and give it one full twist towards the head, and then secure with a pin through the centre of that twist. Gently pinch and pull at the hair to create more texture and volume. Next, I'm going to divide off the hair from the top of the ears forward, and I'm going to leave a little bit out to frame the face. With the rest of it, I'm going to twist this towards the head and then bring it round to the back and secure through the end with a bobby pin. Slip a bobby pin through the centre of the twist. Then gently pinch and pull for more volume. Then we're going to repeat on the left hand side, so take all the hair from the ear forwards, leaving a little out to frame the face. Twist this all towards the head, bringing it around to the back of the head. Hold under the first twist and secure the end with a bobby pin. Slip a bobby pin through the centre of the twist and gently pinch and pull. Next, I'm going to divide the hair in three, and taking those two outside sections, I'm going to bring them together at the back of the head and secure them with a clear elastic band. Then pop a couple of fingers behind that elastic band through the hole. Pass your ponytail to your fingers and pull it all the way through to create some more twists. Tighten it up by pulling on the edges, and then pinch and pull those new twists. Pop an elastic band on the rest of the end of the hair, but on the last turn only pull it part way through to create a loop. Then we're simply going to roll that loop up towards the nape of the neck, just so it's underneath those last twists, and secure through the centre with a couple of bobby pins. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.